So I'll use these gloves. What? There's a hole in my glove? Not just one, but two. It's so repair.
And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. Thread a sewing needle. Start at the beginning, secure the end, and connect through the fabric portions of the glove. A marker pen may be used as a space holder. Sewing small sections and building the lines needed to rejoin the fabric together.
Yeah!
Literally and metaphorically, hands-on approach to applying the sewing skills to solve this problem.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.